Hello, a Boeing 727-200 and I will tell you about my life.
It looks like I have another order of the Boeing 727 from United Airlines. Let's start building and deliver to United.
A few weeks later.
Whoa, where am I and who I am?
You're a Boeing 727-200 you just got delivered to United Airlines. You got passengers, so good luck.
December 1993.
I will paint you in a new livery.
Well, this livery is awesome.
November 2005.
I'm sorry, 727, you're retired, but you can work with Aerosuper.
Welcome to our airline Aerosuper. You're now a Boeing 727 freighter.
Well, I'm a freighter. I'm starting to like this airline.
December 20th, 2016.
Alright, HK for 5, for 4 you have a flight to the capital of Colombia.
Hooray, now I have a flight to Colombia. Let's line up. Let's roll. WE. Wait, why can't I rotate? Oh, nitrogen monoxide, oh, nitrogen monoxide, oh, nitrogen monoxide, oh, nitrogen monoxide, I'm gonna hit the fence. OW, 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 ow my ears, IT hurts, sulfur monoxide back. I need to return back. Hurry, I need to land. Oh, nitrogen monoxide, I'm losing speed, I'm going to crash. Oh, nitrogen monoxide.
100.
Wait, is this heaven?
Nope, you're still alive. You got into a crash because you overloaded some cargo and you struggled to climb, but they managed to fix you on time. For now, you're a passenger aircraft, not a freighter, and you're still wearing the United Airlines livery.
Does this mean I'm still alive?
Exactly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit the like button.